As a result, it can only be modified by the adjective, which is ecstatic here. Another example, Professor Ingels looked at the exams happily. Now the word look is followed by the object, the exams. As a result, अब यहाँ पे ये एक्टिव तौर पे सर्व कर रहा है और ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. जब भी लिंकिंग वर्ब एज अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के तौर पे सर्व करेगा और एक्टिव होगा तो ये हमेशा मॉडिफाई होगा बाय द एडवर्ब. एज अ रिजल्ट हैप्पीली वर्क comes in this sentence. Example 4, Joe does not look happy today. Now this word look, which is a linking verb, here it is not followed by any object. As a result, it is not a transitive verb, it is not active, so it just acts as a linking verb. As the result, it will only be modified by the adjective, which is happy here. Few more examples to look at. The lady is smelling the flowers gingerly. The word smell is followed by the object, which makes this word smell a linking verb or a transitive verb. As a result, it is active. Now when it is active, it will be only modified by the adverb, which is gingerly here. Another example, after being closed up for so long, the house smells musty. The house smells musty. Now the word smell here is just followed straight by adjective because यहाँ पर smell as a transitive verb नहीं है. It is not active verb. It is just a straight linking verb. तो जब भी ये linking verb के तौर पे serve होगा without having any object afterwards, तो ये सिर्फ adjective से ही modify होगा. Another example, the chef tasted the meat cautiously before presenting it to the king. Now the word tasted is followed by the object the meat. यहाँ पर जो test है वो चूँकि as a transitive verb use हो रहा है. Transitive means it is followed by object as a result which makes it active. और जब as an active serve करेगा तो it will only be or modified by the adverb which is cautiously here. Another example, your chocolate cake tastes delicious. The same word taste is here as well, but यहाँ पे ये सिर्फ as a linking verb serve कर रहा है because there is no, it's not transitive, it's not active with no object following